Ghost of Helldivers? Not quite, but let's make this Oni mask attachment for my Helldivers helmet. So first, of course, we need a file. I'm going to use this one, import it into Bamboo Studio. I'm just going to change the color to white because red looks weird to me. And then now I'll just rotate it so it sits flat on the build plate. That's pretty much it for this one. This is a short one-day build, so mostly a paint tutorial. Quick sanding. Coat of primer. Black base coat. Okay, so here is the bottom piece. I painted it all black, and so I'm gonna paint like these parts yellow and the nose and under here, and then this will be silver, and yeah, so I'm gonna start masking. So these need to be silver, so I'm gonna mask off this. Okay, so here we have the silver painted, so I will have to mask this off, and then I'll start painting these yellow to match the kind of Helldivers theme. So these here will be yellow and yellow and yellow, and here will be red. As you can see, I masked off the nose piece. So now I'm just gonna paint this little edge piece red. So. Okay, so now I need to clean up some of these areas. I'm gonna paint these red, and then he's silver and the grill's silver. So yeah. Here I'm attaching the magnets that'll hold it together. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed, and see you next time.